and cut modular tiles. The tools that are recommended for installing and cutting modular tiles include a razor knife, flooring knife, tape measure, grease pencil, cut-resistant gloves, and a metal straight edge. Begin by installing all full-size tiles. Once all the tiles are linked, begin measuring the area where the cut tiles need to fit. Be sure to mark these tiles with the grease pencil as you go. For fitting tiles around objects, a tape measure is recommended for exact measurements and better accuracy. When cutting, be sure to use a metal straight edge for a more precise line. Where inside cuts are needed, overlap the adjacent side tiles and cut at the same time so they line back up correctly. After cutting, put tiles back into place and ensure all edges are connected.